Let me just show you criteria to set the criteria for your assessment. So you can use that criteria for your school by just put him go inside long box. So you can do your assessment.
Welcome to the assessment center.
Okay, so you go to criteria button, you press criteria.
Criteria.
So this is where you will set your criteria. Okay, it has for lower primary and upper primary. The different criteria you can use, and the different cutoffs, and the national cutoff criteria too. Okay, in our case here, the lower primary criteria only give him HD for 85% and above. So 85% to 100%, it is given HD. Okay, letter D is given to 75% to 84%. Okay, C is given to 65% to 74%. Okay, P is given to 50% to 64%. Okay, then I put down 50% again, so any mark that is below 50%, it's given an E. Okay, so that is for lower primary. For upper primary, any mark that is above 85%, it is given an A. Any mark that is above 75%, between 75% and 84%, it is given a B. Okay, any mark that is between 65% and 74%, it is given a C. Any mark that is between 50% and 64%, it is given a D. And any mark that is below 50, it is given a letter E. Okay, so the national cutoff, like to give you an indication, lol cutoffs like or pass mark below national cutoff, you just put him, suppose I'm 75% or 70%, you just write him percentage blame 75, and then you give a comment. If students who score 75% na above, you can students who score 75% and above, you can give them say an okay. That means that I'm online where they have met the national cutoff mark of 75%. If the national cutoff mark can change to say 65% or 70%, you just change him figure here. So you can change him go to 70 or whatever, 60% or 65. You just change him. Okay, so 70. Okay, in our case it's 75%. Okay, so 75% and above, it is given an, it is say okay. So any student that scores 75% and above, it indicates that I'm passing. Okay, so you will change him all figures. So suppose in case your HD is say not 85%, but it's 80 and above for lower primary, but for upper primary is 85% and above. Then so HD is 80% and above, 80% and 200% is HD. Na D is from 75 to 79%. Then you can give him all same. So you just change him all figures there or suit him criteria blue. So that's how you use it for doing your assessment criteria, set him all cutoffs blue. The important part by noting is these two part here. There are two 50s here because this one is telling us that any mark that is below 50, you give him an E, or any mark that is below 50 is given. The mark that is below 50 is given an E. So the same figure that you put down here, and the same figure by putting here, but the reading is that it will be any mark that is below than this one, and by giving him slur. So that's basically how we do the cutoffs. Okay, that's it.